My lord, may I mention one criminal revision petition, my lord.
Yes.
It was listed on my lord, 12th Tuesday, my lord, on Tuesday, my lord. When I was arguing the matter before the honorable the court number 1, my lord. Then matter has been posted for after 1 week, my lord. So, my lord, this is something, my lord, which is very urgent regarding my lord, the POCSO case, my lord.
POCSO matter.
My lord. So therefore, my lord, this matter may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
My lord.
It's a bail matter.
Cancellation of bail, my lord.
Cancellation of bail.
My lord. And services, everything has been completed, my lord, by that, my lord. Only just the matter has been posted for, my lord, posted after 1 week. That is the, my lord. So I
For
was,
the petitioner.
I am for the petition, my lord. POCSO matter, my lord.
POCSO matter. You're for the state. You have prayed for cancellation of the bail.
Correct, my lord. I am the impermanent complainant victim, my lord, without following the procedure, my lord, of our own or high court, my lord.
The other side, whether
Other side, my lord, in fact, we have taken the steps and the state is represented by the PP, my lord. Just for, my lord, necessary order, my lord, tomorrow, my lord. Deeply appreciate.
Yes, Lordship,
yes,
that FAO number 0/2016 was listed on 12 of this month. And to,
listing.
yes, Lordship, and to be heard on 20 of this month. Lordship, at that time, I would not be able to argue because I have already fixed matter at other district, Lordship. That with consent from the opposite party, I have taken
20.
Lordship on 20 is fixed there. So at that time, I will not be able to argue the matter. Next date may be given, Lordship. Level October, Lordship.
So, court master.
Of the
Lordship,
Yes,
I'd like to mention item number 9.
9.
Yes, Lordship, on behalf of A. Kalita.
What do you want? Entry number paper book is ready.
Lordship, no idea. He was just
You are on behalf of
T. Kalita.
T. Kalita.
Yes, Lordship. Better we register 3 weeks.
Let the matter be listed for hearing. As paper book is ready.
Yes.
What's the problem?
Yes.
Wait for some time.
Posted for.
Yes, please.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
I would like to mention item number 23.
Item number
23.
23.
Yes, Your Honor. Matter is fixed for supplementary hearing, Your Honor. And matter may be fixed after 3 weeks, my lord. So,
The other side.
They
I have
wanted to
also-
file some additional affidavit. Well, instead of 3 weeks, can it be shortened a little bit?
You wanted to file further affidavit.
yes, Your Honor.
You're for the petitioner or
I'm for the appellant, Your Honor.
appellant?
Yes, sir.
The case is fixed for hearing.
Supplementary.
Can you fix it on 4th, 4th October?
Arrange for adjournment with the consent of the other side. 410.
410.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 7.
Yes, yes.
Item number 7. I'm here on
Item
the
number
behalf of,
7.
I'm here on the behalf of Meeting Council, Kemo Lolin. Your Lordship, the learning council is out of the station, so. we
Who is
need to
out of
have
station?
Meeting
Who is
council,
out of station?
Kemo Lolin.
Your miss?
So,
Your miss?
M. Sora. So matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
The other side? You have
We
taken
already took the
consent
consent.
with the consent of other side, huh? After 2 weeks?
After 3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Was on.
Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 12. The leading council is out of station due to some domestic problem. So this matter may kindly adjourn for today. and listed after 4 weeks. And meanwhile, there was interim order.
Yes,
Interim order there was. So it may continue.
interim order is there.
Yes.
Lordship made. So I beg to mention item number 24.
24.
Yes. I have taken consent from the other side, Lordship. The matter can be fixed up to 3 weeks. Lordship. Blue. Lordship, item number 1 and 2, Lordship, analogous matters.
Which one?
Item number 1 and yes,
Analogous matter with whom? Which one?
or of the same PS case number. Lordship.
1 and 2.
Yes, 1 and. Lordship, I have received the paperwork.
Record please. Appeal is not admitted. Appeal is
admitted.
not admitted.
Not admitted.
Appeal be admitted today. What's the problem?
Uh,
This is
yes,
statutory appeal, no?
we have to see whether victim or complainant was,
Against conviction.
Yes, Lordship. The state is the only respondent.
NDPS matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, for the appellant. Yeah,
Lordship.
for the appellant.
Yes.
Third, Mr. Fulana counsel for the appellant and Mr. Pardo appearing for additional duties for the state. Appeal is admitted. As a. LCR received, no, that is paper. book.
yes, paperwork already put.
As paper book is already. List the matter for final hearing. In the post.
Obliged.
1 and 2 same.
Yes, Lordship, out of the same PS case, 1 and
At least 2 convicts.
2 convicts. Obliged.
By Lordship. Lordship, as per order dated 4/8/2023. The appellant, the petitioner has tried to find out the location, the new address of respondent number 6 and 7, 6, 7, and 8. But couldn't find it. On several occasions, I have applied this honorable court that the respondent number 6, 7, 8 was applying levels. And they were from,
They are the informants.
yeah, no, they were the victims.
They were the victims.
Yes. The informant has already entered and filed their affidavit.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 are the government.
Yes.
That is SP, CP, then Gandhi. From 4. 4, anybody is appearing for 4. Then the Gandhi. 5. So on earlier days, somebody is appeared for respondent 4.
Yes.
7, 6, 7 and 8. 6.
And to find this respondent is almost remote.
Demachi. Service not complete, no?
Yes.
Please, respondent 5 to 8 received answer. Kindly refer. So you have to take three steps.
Yes, Lordship, we have tried and we have attempted several times. Since these respondents, they were flying laborers working there at Tiribin under respondent number 4.
4 somebody has appeared earlier.
Yes, 4 has already appeared and they have filed their
Problem.
affidavits.
5 to 8.
Yes.
5 to 8. They have to take steps through Dasti.
No, that's why, Lordship, I
Through jurisdictional police station.
Dasti
No. Jurisdictional police station. Through,
through police station.
Yes.
See police.
yes, OC jurisdiction.
we have attempted that also, Lordship.
But they are from different districts.
Yes, different district. They are from, basically they are from Assam. They were working under respondent number 4 as a flying laborers.
No, 4 somebody has appeared, no problem.
Yes.
Since 5 and 5, 6, 7 and 8.
So in this stage, Lordship,
5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 from Dhemaji district.
yes,
And 8 is from Manipur. Mairang, Manipur.
yes.
So through OC, Dhemaji, no?
Yes,
So concerned only police station.
yes.
You have to take steps on that. Third Mrs. Francis, Purana council for the petition and non addition of the disagreement for the state respondent 1 to 3. None address from respondent 4 regarding respondent 5 to 8. As per office note. Dated 12 and 23. Notice upon respondent 5 to 8 received answer. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Tries to take steps afresh. Next respondent 5 to 8. The petitioner shall take steps. On service of notice to the respondent number 5 to 8. Through OC, concerned police station with registered ID as well as agent process returnable within 4 weeks.
Interim is the Lordship, interim may be continued.
Interim is extended till the next date of listing. Steps to be taken within 7 days.
All right.
Of life.
Twenty 23, ma'am. My lord, primarily, my
Did
lord.
you receive?
Yes, madam.
Did you receive?
Yes, madam. May I take your lordship to the FIR, madam? It pays 19, madam.
Page
Page 19, madam.
9.
The relevant part starts from my lord, page 20.
Page 20.
Yes, my lord. Serial number. My lord, down below, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 12, FIR contents, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Approval has been accorded by the competent authority and conveyed by the Undersecretary Vigilance, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, by letter number such and such, dated such and such, to conduct investigation into the matter of illegal appointments of 28 primary teachers in Longling district. Matter pertaining to illegal appointment of 28 primary teachers in Longling district, which was widely circulated in social media, alleging that the 28 primary teachers were illegally appointed in Longling district, Arunachal Pradesh. Government of Arunachal Pradesh has constituted a fact-finding committee by order number such and such, dated such and such, with a member of such and such, such and such, such and such. The committee had obtained copy of list of illegally appointed primary teachers, copy of alleged fact appointment orders, and copy of minutes of meeting of Longling District Students Union, dated such and such, and conduct inquiry into the matter. Srimati such and such, Special Secretary Education, submitted report dated such and such to the Commissioner Education Government of Arunachal Pradesh, and the government of AP had endorsed the matter to SI Vigilance for investigation. As per the fact finding committee report, fake appointment orders appear to be duly signed by the Director of Elementary Education, Sri such and such, my lord, petitioner hearing, my lord. Fake appointments were shown to be made on the basis of recommendation of Department Promotion Committee held on to such and such, Name of the 28th fake CRT posted in Longling district were not found in the recommendation of BPC dated such as appointment of 28 PRTs in Longling district were fake and illegal. My lord, hereafter, my lord, the rest is not so, my lord. Relevant, my lord. On the basis of this, my lord, report of the fact finding committee, my lord, FIR has been registered by the SIC Vigilance, my lord, as a my lord, SIC Vigilance case number 02 of 2023, my lord, under section, my lord, 120B 420-409-468, 471 of IPC, read with section 13(2) of PCM, my lord. My lord, my lord. My lord, the petitioner hearing, my lord, is a retired, my lord, director of elementary education. He was retired on, my lord, 31st of July 2021, my lord. He is a retired person. My lord, primarily, my lord, this bail application was filed by the petitioner on his health ground. My lord, the petitioner hearing is a heart patient, my lord. And recently, my lord, he has undergone, my lord, heart procedure at Srishti Hospital and Research Center at Dibrugarh, my lord. And my lord, this angioplasty surgery, my lord, the angioplasty surgery, my lord, is, my lord, opening of the veins, artery, my lord, blockage in artery, my lord, which connect to the heart, my lord, which supplies oxygen and, my lord, blood to the heart, my lord. And it was performed on 10th of August 2023, my lord. And on the basis of this, my lord, his, my lord, ailment, my lord, this honorable court has given, my lord, privilege of privilege bail on 24th of August 2024, my lord. 24th of August 2024, my lord, on the basis 2023, my lord, on the basis of his health ground, my lord. My lord, on 26th of August 2023, my lord, although, my lord, the petitioner was released from the, my lord, discharged from the hospital, my lord, but still he is not, my lord, fully recovered, my lord. He is under bed rest, my lord, and, my lord, and he is taking, my lord, medicine, my lord, and there is direction, my lord. My lord, there is advice from the, my lord, doctor to review his, my lord, health, my lord, in regular interval before the, my lord, the concerned hospital, my lord.
Where is the medical documents?
My lord, the first medical documents, my lord. My lord, medical documents, my lord, will find that, my lord, page, it starts from page 35, my lord, and it's a 3 series.
25,
35, my lord.
35.
Yes, my lord. 30, Excel 3 series, page 35. My lord, relevant will be at page 37.
37.
Yes, my lord, page 37. My lord, Srishti Hospital Research Center, my lord. Name is Mr. Tapi Gao, my lord. My lord, right hand side, my lord, received it, about our business admission date, admitted on 7/8/2023. My lord, right hand side, my lord. Admission date 7/8/2023, Department Cardiology. And, my lord, the next page is the, my lord, this report of coronary angioplasty. My lord, this is the heart procedure performed to the petitioner, my lord, which is performed on date of, my lord, procedure is at 10/8/2023, my lord. Right hand side, my lord, date of procedure. Thereafter, my lord, after performing this, my lord, has heart procedure.
Angiography.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
And if you have any blockage in the heart,
yes,
the
ma'am.
angiography is.
Yes,
also
ma'am.
by the law.
Angioplasty surgery, my lord. So this opening of my lord, blockage in artery, my lord, which connect to the heart, my lord. My lord, this is serious element, my lord, because my lord, measure of the my lord heart attacks, my lord, is caused by this element, my lord.
What is the present health condition?
The present condition, my lord,
Any report?
he was, my lord, although he was discharged on 26th of August 2023, my lord. My lord, he is advised, my lord, as phase one, my lord. He is advised to, my lord, rest for 1 month, review in cardiology OPD after 3 weeks. And my lord, there is, my lord, altogether list of 12 medicine, my lord, which has to be taken regularly by the petitioner, my lord. My lord, in my humble submission, my lord.
At the time of patient condition at discharge, that is stable. It is written as stable. Yes, please.
Yeah. Ma'am, please. My lord is well aware, my lord. This is a case where rampant corruption has been done, my lord. And there has been illegal appointment, my lord, of 28 persons, my lord. The modus operandi was that, my lord, a DPC has conducted, my lord, a regular DPC from the Department of Education, my lord. Now, certain 28 persons were promoted under the DPC. But when the appointment was made, my lord, the persons, these 28 persons who were appointed, their names are not in the DPC, my lord. And although, my lord, they were appointed at the time of during the COVID-19 period, my lord, 2020, my lord, they joined in 2022, my lord. And whole these 2 years, my lord, their payment was not paid to them, my lord. And in each and every appointment, my lord, it could not have been done without the signature of the then.
The signature on the.
Yes, my lord, the incumbent director, my lord, who is the petitioner here in my lord.
There
And-
is a
and-
material, as per case diary, there is a material.
Yes, my lord. And
What about the on medical ground?
yes, my lord,
Interim was granted.
interim was granted, my lord. If my lord see the CD, my lord. Page 161, my lord.
161.
Yes, my lord. Starts from 161 to 178. It pertains to the present petitioner, my lord. 161. yeah. I pasted it, my lord.
This 161. yes.
Yes, my lord. Here it seems, my lord, he was already discharged, my lord, on 26/8/2023, my lord. Obviously, my lord, after the surgery is done, my lord, post surgery care has to be taken, my lord, but it does not say, my lord, that he has to be bedridden or he has to be in under complete bed rest, my lord. It says that he has to take rest for 1 month.
It's
my lord.
stated.
Yeah, yes,
At
my
the
lord.
time of discharge, it is written as stable.
My lord.
So his condition is stable now.
And my lord is well aware that, my lord, whenever a person, if he's arrested, my lord, and we are not contemplating that, my lord, we'll be arresting him, my lord. We'll see whether he cooperates or not, my lord. And if he's cooperating, I don't think
My lord,
there is
regarding,
anything
my lord,
necessary for that, my
my
lord.
lord, regarding cooperation, my lord, my statement has been taken twice, my lord, by the SIC, my lord. First on my lord 27th of July 2023, and second is on 4th of August 2023, my lord. I'm cooperating with the investigation also, my lord.
Yes. How you would say that he has not cooperated?
No, I'm not saying, my lord, he's not cooperating, my lord. What I'm appreciating is that, my lord, whenever a person is arrested, my lord, obviously he will be taken for a medical examination, my lord. And if he's fit to be kept in custody, then only he will be kept. Now, this is a anticipated bail application, my lord. And we are not saying that we will be arresting him. There is an anticipation that he might be arrested. But if he
Well,
cooperates, my lord, if there is nothing against him, my lord.
Appraisal
don't
is
think
already-
that-
There
already
is no
the-
condition in the pre-arrest bill that he is to appear before the IO and so on.
Yes, we are not, there is
There is-
nothing,
there is no any
nothing as
condition.
such, my lord, because it was only on the basis of the medical condition, my lord. Because he was under post surgery rest, my lord, at the point of time, my lord.
But previously, my lord, before this bail application, my lord, his statement was also already been taken by the SIC on twice occasions, 2 occasions. My lord, earlier, my lord, there was a bail application before the session judge, my lord, Lane session judge, my lord. Interim was granted, my lord. During the period of that interim order, my lord, his statement was recorded twice, my lord. One on, my lord, 27th of July
It is
2023.
recorded by the
Ye-
IO.
yes,
My lord,
lord,
I have
it
made,
is, my lord.
in my petition, I have made averment, my lord.
It is there, my lord. 161 is there, my lord.
Here, where is?
And my lord, his house has also been raided, my lord. Twice.
Okay.
You have submitted along with the petition, the
Ma-
statement.
No, no, my lord.
Statement is not there in the petition, my lord. I have made my averment in my petition. my lord.
One,
Is it
155, my lord.
150?
5.
Denied in his statement, that
161
he
he
has
denied, my lord.
Yes.
If my lord appreciates my lord, the then incumbent deputy director of Longding district, he was arrested, my lord. And he has given his 164 statement, my lord.
164,
Yes, my lord. And
professional statement.
yes, my lord.
Where is it?
My lord, we find it, yeah, page number 149, my lord, of the city, my lord.
One fifty-nine is.
No, 140,
140,
149, my lord.
114.
No, sorry, 143 is the 164 statement. The relevant portion would be my lord from 145.
143.
Yeah, the statement on oath, my lord.
which is as follows. No, the statement of somebody else, not the person.
No, my lord.
Sri Jamdolona.
Yeah, this is the incumbent, my lord, the deputy director, my lord. Where he says everything was done under the instruction of the director, my lord, the present petitioner.
The same person.
No, my lord. He was the deputy director who was posted at Longding, my lord. And this case pertains,
Subsequent to him.
yes, my lord. My
place
lord. The present petitioner, my lord, is the director, my lord.
Director.
And he is the deputy director of the district, my lord. We are pertaining to the Longding district, my lord.
Longding. No, this is the statement of another person,
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
not the, that,
Not of
present
the
petitioner.
present petitioner.
My lord will kindly appreciate, my lord. Now, this case pertains to Longding district, my lord.
I
And
can
the,
understand. No, the accused is the page number 145, you see?
yes, my lord.
145.
Yes, my lord.
Accused is brought before me on so and so date at court UP, and once again he has been explained. The particular so and so and on being satisfied to make confession statement voluntarily.
Yes.
His statement is recorded, which is as follows. Then bring the statement of another person, that is Jumbo Lona.
Yes.
That is Jumbo Lona statement.
Yes,
not
my
his
lord.
Statement, not the statement of this petitioner.
No, my lord.
The statement of cause. I think it might be the statement of coexistence.
Then his statement was not recorded.
No, 164 was not recorded, my lord. His 161 statement has been recorded, my lord. Where my lord has already used, my lord.
That's fine. It's Jumbo Lona, no? In Jumbo Lona statement, that is there.
Yes,
That is information.
yes,
That you want to say.
yes.
Then. what-
And my lord, the iOS also placed a comment on the application, page 155, my lord.
155.
Yes, my lord.
That is 161 statement.
No, my lord, he has made a comment, my lord, the IO, the investigating officer, my lord.
Yes.
155.
155 is the statement recorded 161.
Oh, sorry, 158. And देखा ही नहीं मैंने.
150 is. Then those who are appointed, they are qualified enough.
No,
The
my,
post,
we have not, still now the investigation is going on, my lord, because they are, I think, my lord,
they have not yet been appointed.
no,
They have been appointed.
they have been
but not yet
appointed.
been joined.
No, they joined, my lord, but they
They
haven't,
already joined.
they only, now they have been removed from, terminated from the service, my lord.
From the service.
Yes.
As per medical report, it's now his condition is stable. So he to appear before I, further medical examination that is required.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, primarily, my lord, this application, my lord, has filed on ground of medical, on medical ground, my lord. My lord,
yes.
my lord,
During that period, he was under medication.
yes, my lord.
So interim was granted to him.
Madam.
After surgery, I think.
Yes,
This is angiography is nowadays not so much of serious in nature. Anyway,
Yes, ma'am.
surgery now, doctor's command is now he is stable. And he is allowed to go home.
My
So
lord, he was discharged. That is,
he was
that's true,
discharged.
isn't it?
as
That
because
was true.
he was found stable. So at this stage,
My lord, if you also permit, my lord, I may be submitted, I may be made submission on merit also, my lord. My lord,
in bill application, there is no question of merit.
my lord, on merit,
Because IO has collected sufficient material against that person, I mean, the petitioner. That he put his signature on the fake current medical documents,
yes, my lord.
on the
Hello.
basis of which, yes,
My lord, kindly appreciate, my lord. My lord, primarily, my lord, this 4 at 30 bail, my lord. My lord, is my law from Article 21, my lord laws, my lord. And my lord, this prime, my lord, in the case, my lord, of this Gurbakh Singh, my lord, CBI.
Yes, I can
Yes, my lord,
understand.
yes.
He is the prime accused, no? He put his signature. Maybe on the direction of somebody else. I don't know.
My lord,
But it is
that-
there. He put his signature.
That's why,
on
my
the-
lord, that's why, my lord, my humble submission, my lord, if my lord, my land query is pressing on merit, my lord, I may be permitted to submit on merit also, my lord. That's why I'm saying.
So pick up the matter on tomorrow. Today also, I don't have any problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Right
Well,
now?
no, right now, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the may I take your lordship page 21, ma'am.
Page 21 of your
Yes, ma'am.
petition.
Page 21, ma'am. Page 21 of my petition, my lord, is my lord, part of FIR, my lord. Para 4, my lord.
Just a minute. Page 21.
Page 21. Paragraph 4, my lord. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
Yes, my lord. As for the fact finding committee,
Therefore,
fake appointment orders appear to be duly signed by the Division Director of Elementary Education, Sri such and such. Fake appointments were shown to be made on the basis of recommendation of Department Committee held on such and such. Names of the 28th fake PRT posted in Longin district were not found in recommendation of DPC dated such and such. Appointment of PRT is fake and illegal. Now there is, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, in the FIR itself, there is a contradictory, my lord, statement, my lord, made by the, my lord, firstly, my lord, if I take, my lord, your lordship, a fake appointment, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, what they have done is appear to be duly signed by the Director of Elementary Education, my lord, there is every possibility, my lord, because, my lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner was not arrested till date, my lord. But 2 persons, my lord, this Deputy Director of Education, School Education and one accountant has been, my lord, arrested, my lord. And it is every possible that, my lord, this appointment order, my lord, where my sign and my seal was there, my lord, it might be, my lord.
these documents are available. This Xerox or anything else. Just he put his signature.
No, my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, they have taken the specimen signature, my lord.
Well, that has been said, already said for my, that
But,
specimen
but
signature.
it's a matter of trial, my lord. No,
No.
this is just a bail application.
Yes, my lord, that's why.
Whether this fact or not, my lord, the expert will say, the expert opinion will be.
That's why, my lord, my specimen signature was already been taken, my lord, by the SIC, my lord, and it is sent for forensic examination, my lord. My lord, that will come up later, my lord. What my humble submission is that, my lord, whether this petitioner is, my lord, absconded, my lord, as for absconding, my lord, whether this petitioner is not cooperating with the investigation agency, my lord, whether there is any chance of hampering or tampering with the evidences, my lord, or material collected, material which to come collected in this case, my lord. But in my humble submission, my lord, since, my lord, my statement, my lord, was recorded twice, my lord, by the SIC, my lord, as I have already pointed out. My lord, the first question, my lord, there is, I'm not absconding, my lord. Second, my lord, am I cooperating with the investigation agency, my lord? I'm cooperating with the investigation agency. My statement has recorded, my specific signature has been taken, is sent to the forensic, my lord. And my lord, regarding hampering, tampering, my lord. My lord, all these, my lord, materials are documents, my lord. That is, my lord, already, my lord, in the safe custody of SIC, my lord, which is at page 21, my lord. My lord, down below, my lord, this is the documents which was seized by the SIC, and it is under the safe custody of the investigation authority, my lord. So there is no any chance of hampering or tampering with the evidences or any other materials, my lord. And my lord, kindly appreciate, my lord, I'm a retired person, my lord. I'm an age-old person, my lord. I'm a pensioner, my lord. I'm a retired government employee who was retired from the service on 2021, my lord. I'm a pensioner, my lord. Is there any chance of my absconding, my lord? My lord, my learned pen has already submitted, my lord. But the SIC might not be arrest him, my lord. My lord, if that is this, my lord, situation, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, let me, my lord, given privilege of the previous bill, my lord, with condition, my lord, which was, my lord, given under section 438(2) of the CRPC, my lord. There is condition, my lord. If I have violated the, if in near future, my lord, if I violated the conditions, my lord, my bail can be, my lord, cancel anytime under section 439(2) by the state, my lord.
It's a 438 application. not
Yes, my lord,
438.
that's fine, my lord. My lord, my submission is, there is no any, my lord, ground for my custodial interrogation, my lord. My lord, if I may be put behind the bar, my lord, since I have a heart patient, my lord, it may be, my lord, deteriorated my health condition, my lord, which will be risking my life, my lord. Because my angioplasty surgery, though it is not an open heart surgery, my lord, because advancement of technology, my lord. But my lord, is it serious in nature, my lord? My health can be deteriorated at any time, my lord. But the state cannot, my lord, take, my lord, any excuses that they will take care of my health, my lord. While in,
This is not an interim bill. This is pre-arrest bill
Yes,
granted to the petition.
yes, my lord, please have.
Then what to do?
But therefore, in my humble submission, let this pre-arrest bill given on 24 may be made absolute, my lord. My lord, there is no chance of absconding at all, my lord. Since I am a pensioner, my lord.
This is not interim. The order interim is not there in the.
It is not, why? Because, my lord, on that particular day, my lord, Tagya was of the view that since he did not take the matter on merit, my lord. What he said was, since he's
It's a full order of bail was granted to him, not an interim. So after that.
it was only on medical ground. The CD was not perused because I was of the opinion that the CD will be.
That should be, he shall be released on bail. So there is no interim bail. So bail was granted to him.
Yes, my lord.
In the event of arrest, he was.
In the event of arrest.
Yes.
Yes,
That is a 438 matter.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
There is no condition also. He used to appear before the IO.
Yes,
The
yes.
statement is recorded.
It
or
was-
anything else, nothing.
It was
else.
only on the basis of the fact that he was under medical condition.
Condition and bail was granted to him, not an interim.
My lord.
So
Well,
we
in my
don't pass
humble-
any order on that.
in my humble submission,
So bail was granted to him. After that, we cannot say
Ma'am.
by the same court. If you
Ma'am.
want to, you have to file a petition for cancellation of bail or anything.
But my lord, I have a strong objection, my lord. Therefore, my lord, it may be.
What
Since-
is from objection? Bail has already been granted to him.
Why? Because, my lord, it was an interim bail, my lord. And
That
the order itself, it seems, my lord, the order was passed only on the ground that.
What is missing in the order? I cannot help you, sorry.
My lord,
Pass on.
yes, my lord.
CD is received and
Hmm.
heard both sides, CD is received. As it appears from the order dated 24/8/23, bail was granted to the petitioner. So at this stage, by this court, so at this stage. I have no other option. I have no other option to cancel the bill or anything else unless you have filed any other petition
My
to
lord,
cancel the bill or
I
anything.
appreciate that, man.
To send back the test time.
Yes, ma'am.
my lord, the bail application will be treated as disposed.
Bill was
Disposed.
transferred to.
Disposed.
That is disposed of.
Oblige.
May I please your lordship, this is a pre-arrest bail under section 430 CRPC. Here, accused applicant was on interim bail. Today is fixed for producing a CD.
Yes, city receipt.
Lordship.
Meantime, your lordship, here the applicant and the complainant, they have had a locally meeting also. Lordship, one,
On the last date. The statement was not
yeah,
recorded.
yes, your lordship, I have recorded twice. Earlier, I was granted pre-arrest bail. On that occasion also, I have given my statement. And in the meantime, I was on leave. This is a one settlement agreement it took place on 7th September between complainant and accused. This FIR was lost only because of miscommunication,
Miscommunication.
misunderstanding. Here complainants, nothing, single penny property has been neither damaged or neither any property of the complainant has been affected, only because of misunderstanding. At the before lodging of FIR, the accused applicant was undergoing medical treatment at Savlok Hospital at New Delhi, could not meet the complainant. On that, after waiting for 3 days, they have lost this complaint. And on 7th September, both the parties have settled the matter, though this is a non-compoundable case. Here, accused applicant had fully cooperated the
Statement is, the statement is
Statement is
recorded.
there, lordship. Yeah, Yagum Kabak, lordship is, Yagum Kabak.
Yagum Kabak, Srimati Yagum Kabak.
Young boom.
She has fully cooperated the eye of the case, whatever the documents she has already submitted before the IO.
Absolutely.
Lordship, here lordship, it may be absolute, but lordship, because there, as per the CD, it appears that she's cooperating with the investigating team, lordship, and
Yes,
they are not
cooperating
be
with
as custodial distance may not be required. But lordship, if may be absolute, then certain terms and conditions should be imposed, lordship, because she is government employee and behest of that, lordship, she has done something like this. So whenever IO called for lordship, she should be appeared before the IO.
Yes, your lordship, I'll appear.
And
Whatever the terms and conditions. imposed by
also
the
not leave
honorable-
the lordship jurisdiction before, lordship. That's it.
So bill application disproved of.
Lordship.
That's one to one, so. CD is received, this is 438 CRPC in connection with Naharlagun case number 11123 under section 10, so. CD is received, Virustasan. We submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that As per direction of this court, the petitioner has appeared before Daya and her statement was recorded. And he has fully cooperated with the investigation. She is a government employee. And and she is also under medication,
Well,
no?
medication,
Taking
yes, sir.
treatment at Delhi.
Earlier Delhi, now at here, Itanagar.
Considering the fact that pre-arrest warrant granted to the petitioner be made absolute. On an additional PP, on the other hand, has submitted that during the period of pre-arrest, she has not necessary liberty. She has cooperated with the investigation. So she has no objection. That
The custodial detention may not be required.
will
Lordship.
be
As this is documentary evidence, Lordship, documentary.
required at this stage. So pre-arrest warrant petition is made absolute.
Lordship, certain content and condition, Lordship, till the completion of the investigation, Lordship.
Oh.
Must
Oh, like-
oblige, Lordship.
Disposed of.
May I please, madam? I am for the respondent. I am the, yes, representing the informant. I think petitioner is absent today. The matter may be posted after Puja break,
After 2 weeks,
4 weeks, 6 weeks, before it is petition.
4 into the petition. None appears for the petitioner, have a none additional PP respond, you are respondent to,
I'm, yes, private informant.
respondent to. Mr. Swanso is present,
Well, after Puja break,
yes,
after Puja break, because there is no urgency.
after
Puja break.
Puja break. Okay. List the matter after.
Highly ordered.
Right.
Behalf of respondent.
Respondent.
Since my lord, there is a stay order in this case. And only some limited issue on the legal aspect. Will be not filing any affidavit in opposition, basing on their petition only. Will argue on maintainability. Matter may be taken up on Monday.
Monday. Okay, it's all right. Here for the petitioner.
Yes. Your- Till that, your honor,
As agreed to,
interim may be continued till that.
interim is there,
Yes.
as agreed to between Ghana council for the parties, the matter is
For admission hearing, my lord.
for hearing.
Hmm.
The order columns, why it is in the order column?
It's because we have to file affidavit, but then we'll be not filing any affidavit in opposition
To matter
for admission here.
for admission. On Monday, what is the date?
18, my lord.
8.
Highly obliged.
Obliged. My lord, in respect of accused persons, my lord, service has been completed, madam. And the service was caused through jail authority, madam. Since the accused person is inside the custody of the, my lord, the CBI, madam. In another case, my lord, what happened in this case, madam, in another case, the accused person has been granted bail on default, madam.
Oh, for
And
cancellation.
this is for cancellation.
Cancellation of bail.
CBI has filed, my lord,
CBI
these
is
applications for cancellation of the bail granted in another case, madam. The accused person is already inside the custody in the second case, madam. So this is testing
Service
services,
is complete.
my lord. And matter will be posted for, my lord, the hearing on the And regarding granting of the bail on default,
So he was in jail in connection with another case.
another case. So maybe because of that reason, he is not interested to contest the case, man.
So any legal
However-
person,
However, my lord, the copy has been duly served upon us, but the noting of the matter, it has been served through jail authority, my lord.
assistant jailer, no?
My lord. Now, service in respect of accused,
Better to appoint another legal aid counsel for the accused petitioner. Registry is directed to because he has not appointed anybody else, no, he's in jail.
my lord, it is not the case that he is not in a position to engage the council or he is in other case, my lord, he is duly engaged, my lord, the council.
No, no, he is in jail. and
He is in jail, madam.
He is not in a position to engage any counsel to defend him. So. it's
Madam,
required to
And
appoint-
that is also not clear, my lord.
So what to do?
My lord, the service
If
in
it is
respect,
required without hearing the other side, it is
my
not.
lord.
But Registry is directed to appoint another legal aid counsel to represent him, to defend him. No? But Mr. Counsel for the, you're for standing counsel.
Standing
CBI.
counsel for CBI, my lord.
Now I guess for the respondent. Respondent two, no? Respondent two.
Only sole respondent, my lord.
Sole respondent.
My lord. Respondent accused person.
Respondent accused. Notice has been, it is reported that notice has been served to jail superintendent. As the respondent has been detained in custody in connection with another case. Register is directed to appoint one legal aid counsel on behalf of the legal aid counsel to defend the respondent. Release the matter after 1 week.
My lord.
1 week.
Well, in that case, my lord, may I pray that, my lord, the again jail authority may be given a directions whether he wanted to engage,
Oh, another, okay.
yes, of his own, so his counsel or,
Or the
counsel.
registry is
My lord,
if he fails to.
yes, ma'am.
And the jail authority, the superintendent, no? District jail, where is it?
My lord,
This
central
is
jail, Julang, my lord.
Central jail, Itanagar,
My lord,
assistant.
Julie, my lord, it's called Julie Central Jail.
Julie, okay. Is directed to let this court know whether the respondent wants to engage any lawyer to represent him in the case. Otherwise, the registry is directed to appoint so and so legal aid.
And my lord, the same may be, my lord, the report may be, my lord, furnished to dishonorable court,
After 1 week,
1 week. my lord.
Right.
The report of my lord, the jail authority may be furnished to dishonorable court within such period. Within 1 week.
order of this court. Order be furnished to the jail authority. Superintendent district jail.
My lord.
Julie, no?
Deplorable.
May it please, I'm representing for the petitioners in this. Actually, the standing counsel for this case was Mr. P. Ubin and Mr. Tadagaran, but due to some personal commitment, they could not appear before this noble court. So I pray that I may be allowed to represent on behalf of them.
You for the petitioner
Yes, sir.
to pray for it, John.
No, Your Honor. This case, service was not completed, Your Honor. So, yeah, yes, service report.
Service report. Six respondents. no?
Yes. Six, but the complainant here is five.
Petitioners 17.
Yes, yes.
17 petitioners
Yes, 17.
and state is one. Respondent 1, 2, 3,
2 to 6.
2 to 6.
They are informant.
They're the. They're the complainant.
Yes, sir.
So you have to take trace steps. You have taken trace steps earlier.
Yes, sir. I think the previous, we were directed to take a first step. And I think we have accordingly taken the first step.
To OC concern PS, huh? You have to take trace steps. huh? Consequential, none counsel for the petitioner, none additional KP for the state. Regarding respondent 2 to 6. None counsel for the petitioner. I'd like to take trace steps against them. Issue notice accordingly. Through OC, concern PS, they're from the same place. OC concern PS. Town district. One is his respondent 3 is ESC,
Yes, yes, sir.
3 is ESC. Changlang. So additional PP, you can represent him, that is respondent 3,
Yes,
he is ESC,
yes,
the
yes.
government employee.
All this,
Yes.
yes, complainant is arising out of some incident.
Respondent number 2, he is also government servant. CBPS, what is it? I don't know. VNR. Those are the government employee.
Yes. This incidents arise out of the arson caused by the mass
It's a,
mob
or
protest
some riot case.
to the department, building of department concerns, and they are all aware government employees.
Actually, this matter pertains to, Your Honor.
They are the informants.
Yes,
all are informants.
informants.
Where is the FIR? Page
25
Your Honor,
25 to 27
25.
of the petition.
So that is the one person, Dika Singh.
yes, Your Honor, what happened is that, in that arson, specific arson,
Dika Singh respondent 2,
yes,
Yes.
he is the AC.
yes. Sir. Multiple FIRs were filed, Your Honor, in this case. So we are filing, for clubbing and quashing of the subsequent FIRs for quashing and clubbing all the FIRs together.
So we could take instruction from the other side because the other FIR that is 29, this is, he is also ESC, the subsequent FIR,
Yes.
for the same incident.
Yes, and
He is also ESC.
Mhm.
So whether you can represent all the complainant, all these are Another person is not a ESC, this is. Chairman of the- This one, BSF personnel, I think. Respondent 6. Anyway, you can take instruction, huh?
Okay.
Or learn counsel for the petition. I mean, learn an additional appearing to the state respondent 1. Regarding respondent number 2. 26, as per office on dated 12/9/23. Service report is still awaited. As it appears that all the, to respondent number 2 to 6 are government officials. Non additional PP is related. Let's brief for some time to take instruction whether we can represent the respondent to 6. Let the matter after 2 weeks,
If you know, this matter could come up on 27th.
27th
Of this.
of this month.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Wait, Mr. Rose. Well, on the last occasion, Learned Counsel is appearing for the respondents. They sought time to file objections, but they are not available.
Anybody, respondent side not appeared.
Not appearing. The name of U Bori and T Lambu is reflected in the post list. Let it be taken up some other day, madam, maybe in the next day they will appear.
Respondent only 1 and 2.
Yes,
Service is complete.
yes, they have appeared.
Then what to do? Matter is admitted earlier.
Notice was issued, madam.
Notice was issued.
Yes.
Then for admission. Next
Madam.
week. Pardon, Mr. DK Punching, non-counsel for the petitioner, none appears for the respondent side. As per office report, no objection has been filed on behalf of the respondent 1 and 2. So list the matter for admission to them after 2 weeks.
Madam. Then there's an interim order, madam, that may be.
Yes.
There's an
interim is-
interim order.
Interim is extended.
Lordship, your case study was called for. And this is the petition under 482 of the CRPC.
480.
Yes. Bring for quashing and setting aside of a case which is registered under 306 of the IPC. Notice was directed to be issued to the respondent, and the state has been representing by the PP. Case study was called.
Notice to respondent to.
We have taken steps. We have taken steps. Long back, we have taken steps.
Service has not been received, Lordship, upon respondent number 2.
So,
Yes, a fresh step may be taken, Lordship, to the OC of the concerned PS,
OC
Lordship.
concern case,
In the meantime, I'll call for the CT case study also.
case ready,
Lordship.
case ready not received.
Not, Lordship, yes, Lordship.
But Mr. Also, for the petitioner. Knowledge addition will be accepted. For the state respondent. As per office note dated 12/9/23. The service in respect of respondent is still completed. The petitioner is directed shall take steps on service of notice with the respondent to OC concern PS, the registered ID as well as usual process returnable within 4 weeks. Steps be taken within 7 days, less the matter accordingly after 4 weeks. Please take. Through OC concern PS.
The case study was confirmed.
Yes,
Case study was confirmed.
case diary. yes.
Scan copy of the case diary also. Scan copy of the case diary.
Or for the scan copy. The case diary.
Obliged.
Obliged.
My lord, this is case number 482 CRPC.
For it.
My lord, as per order dated 31/7/2023. The respondents were supposed to file
Charge sheet not submitted, no? Charge sheet.
submitted, my lord. Trial is underway. Yes.
Okay. LCR received. LCR of case diary.
Yes, received. Yes, sir, received. Here, service of full respondent 5 is still available.
You for the respondent,
Respondent number
Four.
1,
4.
respondent 4. 1, 2, 3. Other stage, okay.
Yes.
And 4. And 5,
5 is your lordship is the co-complainant in this case.
2,
Co-complainant.
who
There
complained,
were 2 complaints in this case.
2 complaints,
Yes.
2 FIRs.
2 written complaints. Whereas only 1 complaint was registered, whereas the second complaint was clubbed with the case,
First
main case.
Now, my lord, next date is fixed for consideration of charge on 10th of October, next month.
10th of October. Where is the FIR?
FIR at page 24.
20?
First,
20 to 29.
That is not legible, no? 24.
5 copies there. At 25.
Please.
Basically, my lord, FIR was lodged for social media comments being made by the present petitioner.
This process comments.
Yes, my lord. Yes. There was social, yes. And my lord, this petitioner and the complainant, they are from same community, that is Nishi community. They are not, yes, yes, they are not from other communities. They belong to same community.
Same.
Yes. And my lord, to attract the 153A IPC, the Senqua known is the mens rea. Mens rea has to be established, and there is no any mens rea.
Yes, please.
Yes. The Apex Court has already held that in the case of Patricia Mokim versus State of Meghalaya, that the intention to cause disorder or incite people to violence is the sine qua non of the offense under section 153A. And the prosecution has to prove the existence of mens rea. But in this case, my lord, there is no any mens rea. Comment was made just on the social media. And basically that comment was made by the present petitioner to clarify the concept that some tribal communities of Arunachal Pradesh who were converted into the Christian religion should surrender the certificate. There was some propaganda,
What certificate?
scheduled tribe certificate. Yes, but there was some group of people, they were making some propaganda against the Christian community during that point of time. So the petitioner in the case has clarified that concept only. There was no any such ill feelings toward the complainant.
Second complaint is there and it's lodged by one Sapir Raju, General Secretary.
Second complaint.
Yes, two complaints appear.
Yes, in fact, but that complaint was not registered yet.
It's
Yeah.
clubbed together.
It's
So
clubbed together.
therefore, this notice has to be served upon Respondent 5 also. This complaint is second complaint. So service is still awaited.
You have not taken steps against respondent 5. No
Yes.
steps.
Yes, my lord.
Third versus-
So at this stage, my lord, my interim prior may be considered.
At the.
Yes.
on
Still
application,
returnable there.
Taken steps, I can respond and file.
Yes.
And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner and learned additional duties appearing for the state. Respondent 1, 2, and 3, no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And respondent number 4, appearing in learned counsel, so-and-so. Regarding respondent number 5. Office note. Dated 12/9/23 reflects that no steps has been taken by the petitioner. The petitioner shall take steps on service of notice to the respondent number 5 with registered ID as well as usual process returnable within 4 weeks.
My lord, I filed my affidavit on objection. That may kindly be taken into account.
You have submitted
Yes.
through registry, not here.
Yes. So registry, I filed.
Through registry. Through registry.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 4 has submitted his written objection. So state to be taken within 3 days, you have to take steps taken respondent 5.
3 days.
Objection.
Fixed date may be given, my lord.
Yes, please.
Fixed date may be given for next day. hearing.
Next day?
Yes.
Is
30. No, the, on 10th, on 6th, the consideration for charges peaks, they're at court below. So before that,
10.
yes, 6, 10.
16.
Yes.
Prior to that.
First week of,
First week of October.
any date 1 to 3.
First week of 1. Yes, 3. 3:10. 3:10. Okay, 3:10.
Much of it.
Objection.
Give me the pencil, please.
May please, Lordship.
17.
Yes, Lordship, 17. The office note shows that the service of respondent number 2 is waiting. But now Leonard, my brother, is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2 also. And next date may be fixed for hearing, Lordship, after 3 weeks. So service is completed. 1 and 2 is there as a respondent. 1 has already appeared.
Section 5.
Yes, section 5, limitation, Lordship. Because
How many days?
131 days, Lordship.
Second applicable. You have objection?
I have objection. my-
You want to file objection?
Yes, I have objection. So let the matter be heard on the next date,
Your respondent 1,
1 and 2 both.
1 and 2.
Hmm.
And that's one, I have counsel for petitioner and learned counsel, appearing from respondent 1 and 2. Then submits that he wants to file written objection. Please for some time, how? much?
After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, 3 weeks time to file objection against the pair of the petitioner.
My lord, I'll not file objection. I'll make oral submission,
Verbal,
oral
okay.
submission.
Just for hearing, then
Yes, yes,
after 3 weeks.
yes. Obliged,
Okay.
Lordship.
Made with the laws. My lord, 18 to 22, my lord, I was appearing for the petitioner and in some cases for the appellants, my lord. My lord, this is a case, my lord, despite various communications, my lord, there is no instruction from the petitioner and the appellant, but I have informed them yesterday that I will no longer be appearing in the case. So my
Yeah, for
lord,
the petitioner.
yes, some petitioners, some appellants, my lord. Gemon India,
Yemen, India.
yes. I've informed that I will no longer be appearing in this case because despite many communications, I have not been given any instructions in this matter.
So my name and my associate's name may be struck off.
Almost 10 years, 2014 matter.
That's why earlier it was being handled by London Senior Counsel Dilip Majumdar. I think he also faced this problem. Ultimately, he requested me to handle it. Then thereafter, my lord, series of communications, they are not, I am handicapped, man.
My lord,
What to do?
No, my lord, my name and my associate's name may be struck off, my lord. I have informed them.
my lord, I am for the private respondents in the matter. What I will propose is because on 24/7, last order,
24/7.
yes. My learned brother sought the time to seek
24/7.
instruction from the other side. My lord, let my brother's name be allowed to withdrawn and the stay order in this cases be vacated. Or my lord can, my lord can close this case by
Close?
observing, yeah, close this, yes, my lord, close this case by observing dismiss for non-prosecution.
No, today he is appearing and has submits that.
Then that, my lord, then.
At least
interim-
one time, at least
Okay,
one chance. we give.
no, well, that stay order be vacated.
Shortlisted D. Kupanji, learned counsel for the petitioner and also Mr. Tara. All the respondents.
All the response
Respondents.
from,
Mr. Panjin submits that. He is no longer interested to proceed with the case. And please to struck up his name from the. And the cause list. Considering the submission of learned counsel for the petitioner. The registry is directed not to reflect the name of Mr. Panjin as.
Mr. Pangin and associates.
And associate.
And
Panjin
associates.
Associates.
Pangin and associates. The younger colleagues are also there.
Learned counsel for the petitioner side. So what to do next time? None appears. You have informed them.
I have informed them, my lord. I have talked to London Senior Counsel Dilip Majumdar also. He says he will talk to them. I understand he appears in some cases in Guwahati. So date, my lord, by the time if they don't appear, then the lordship will pass appropriate order.
My lord, then that, because this order is there, judicial order is there. Then interim order may be vacated. Let them come for restorations. 24/7, 23 order.
Today I'm not going to pass any such order to dispose of the matter. At least once as that.
No, my lord, I am not praying for disposal of the matter. But there is a observation by the court on next date. The interim order will be vacated.
Okay, if nobody appears.
No, that's, yeah, that is there. Therefore, my lord, that interim be vacated. Let
Okay.
them come with the,
Okay. As it appears from the record that since the case is pending since 2014. As nobody is taking, as nobody appears on the next day. To take further step in connection with the representing the petitioner in connection with the series of cases. The interim order. When it was posted.
well, long back, first kindly see the first file notation. I also forgot that.
Interim order passed in favor of the petitioner will be vacated.
Well, kindly vacate it.
Hmm.
No,
Not
but this
today.
order is there.
Order is there.
Well, just kindly,
The order of state will be vacated.
yes.
So the next fixed date, if none represented, that is why I am none, if none represented. The today he is appearing, no? That is why it's at least once or.
Yes. 2 weeks. Oh,
Yes, place the matter after 2 weeks.
grateful, Milan. So my lord will have good time today. We have 15%.